Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. John Bull Imade from Uronigbe. Say this street light wey una dey see for here so wey dem dey fix no be from the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki. Na from the people of Uronigbe wey dey for abroad. Na im buy the street light, including himself, John Bull Imade. Na im buy the street light wey dem dey fix. Make I leave you now, make you hear from John Bull Imade.
Good morning from Uronigbe community. Good morning, my brothers and sisters. God bless you all. Come. Life in a Dogun quarter. Yes, one eye is already there. Guy, we're coming. Good morning, the people of Uronigbe community. We appreciate all your effort for all you have done so far. We have been working since morning. Please don't mind my face, don't mind my color for the now, because this morning we have been digging and pouring. As you can see, the engineer, they are on site. So we are marking the street light right from Edogun quarter straight to Iduengbo. My brothers and sisters, just come and see what is going on here. I know you cannot see it, but as you can see, we are doing this thing for development. This is something we cannot achieve from the government. We cannot even achieve from the councillors. Please share this video. Let this video go viral. We have a lot of councillors in Uronigbe South. There was no single development. Just want to see what is going on. This is solar energy. This is solar energy in Edogun quarter. Right from Edogun quarter, I'll show you people it's going to Iduen, and we are going to round up in Iduengbo. From Iduengbo, we will now start from UGS. Please support your brother John Bull Imade for peace to reign in Uronigbe community. As you can see, we are moving. We are in number 9. As I speak with you guys, we are in number 9. Solar energy. Start from 7 o'clock and end by 7 a.m. to p.m. 7 dot. Please share this video. Pray for our brothers and sisters who supported us to have this street light. It's not easy. You can see where it's coming from. Can you zoom it? Just zoom. Okay. We cannot zoom. You can see the street light. We have marked the street light as I speak with you guys. Just one. I move over one. You can see now. We have one now. Sir? You can see it. For development.
Problem there we are doing. I did.
You can see this is one of the street lights. We have marked 10 already. I keep on crying for development every time in our community for peace to reign. This is not for Godwin Obaseki or neither for anybody from the government, for the government avenue or neither the government administration. So, Marie Dorewe, a government in Anima Yena, all Loro, We started calling all our fans in different countries, America, US, London. As I speak with you right now, I myself, John Buimade, I have one here. Imokpa Imana, OTT from Idunga. Share this video, let it get to OTT. We will not mention any other person name here, apart from John Buimade and our sister from Italy, OTT. Ekenovi Dunga na donate go Adidi Dogun. So you have to know where the Oronigbe or Wemilana ni Maura. You understand my point? This is solar energy. Please share this video. Let it go viral. And I appreciate my senior brother from Ididogun. I appreciate Adenya children who still supported me. Please share this video. Let this video go viral. We are marking street light right from Edogun quarter. As I speak with you, we are marking street light right from Edogun quarter to Idunegbo. We just started this morning. According to the engineer, we are going to give this street light 8 hours to charge because it's a solar. You can see to this, it's a solar. You understand? So we still have much in our cartons here. Please support. Contact John Buimade for development. We know what we are talking about. Now, a message when I rest with social media, good and fine. We will not mention your name because many of your family, this project started since 3 days now. Now we are marking it today. So how do you expect what do you want him to feel? He will be happy to do more. Just watch out. I'm from a very far distance. Right from Asaboro outside to Ogwedidogun. You can see what is going on. This is solar energy. Please, my brothers and sisters, keep on praying for those who support. We are heading to Idunegbo to Okaligban, Adogba. You understand my point? We will not be waiting for the government. Please, my brother, don't comment bad comment here. I'm begging you in the name of God. Let's develop our community for peace to reign. I've been doing this thing for long. I never fixed it in my house. This is my building here. A title of the viewer. Look at my house here. This is home. Is home. I started developing Ronigbe. When they give you money, you squander that money. This is my building. If I may build this building in Benin, what shall it profit a man gaining the world and lose your soul? This is my house. This is John Buimade house. A street light in Amala Street, man. Imafioye Street, man. You understand my point? I never keep it on my street. You can see what is going on. This is my building. I have a lot of light in my house here. I never care. When somebody is making it in life, people will be happy to do business with you. You understand? This is my building. You understand my point? So we are doing this street light. Nuronik be making not develop. Government or muegima. I appreciate my family, Adenya family. May the Spirit of God be with them. I'm calling off our senior brother, Barrister Uwori. Share this video. Let it get to Barrister Uwori. It's from our family. It's from Edogun quarter. We are begging Barrister Uwori to give us like 20 street lights. Please share this video. I will keep on mentioning his name because why? I was not born when he get to America. And he have did a lot of good things as far as the Ronigbe community is concerned. This is exactly where we started from. We are moving to Idunegbo. So Idukanyo, please, if you have anybody in Idukanyo, send for them to support us. We are going to, this is Idukanyo. This is Idukanyo you are seeing right now. Please, we are calling on Umi, if you mean or in Mexico. We are calling on you. Please come and support us. Support us the way Adenya children is supporting Edogun quarter. When they want to do their father burial, I urge them to grade the road and they do. After the burial, I tell them, they ask me, what do you want us to do for you? And I told them, please support me with street light. Or where is that what you need? I said, yes, sir. And exactly what I need, that is exactly what they are doing now. And my lovely sister from Iduogo, OTT, I have one. OTT have one. My OTT, my dogma. OTT dogma, me have a dogma. Today, I'm begging everybody. You can see, and everywhere is beautiful. Am I on air? Please, my brothers and sisters, we are calling on Barrister Uwori to support us. Please share this video. Let it get to Barrister Uwori. My brother Jude, Jude from Malaysia. Hey, Baba, Malaysia. Jude from Malaysia. Philip Odiase, I respect you people who give me the wisdom. My senior brother, Remo from US. I appreciate you, Remo. God bless you. The street light have been fixed already. Please share this video to Audio Way of New York. Share this video to Audio Way of New York that the rich. Let that the rich see this video and let him know development have already started in his own community. Please share this video to E-Money or Diase Etiosa or Diase, all coming local government chairman in Urunigbe community, that we the children we have started already. Please share this video. Let this video go viral. Please let prayer be to Adenya family, OTT and John Buimade, who are supported for the now. You can see the street light. We have not yet on. It's going to charge for 8 hours before we on. So the engineer is marking it. Is still moving straight to Kizeko. So we are seeing what we can do. You understand? So I believe you guys will see prayer from our elder now. Dogun Quarter, street light everywhere. Please invite Uworiye for me, Barrister Uworiye, our senior brother, a man of dignity, a man of his own tabernacle. Please invite our brother, Baba Barrister Uworiye. I was not born. Uworiye is already in America, and he have done a lot of good things to Urunigbe citizens in America. Emaneme beori benia, emanoma mi wadia, oweni owe muwania. Wagumeti Barrister Uworiye to contact me. Definitely, if you don't need Benimego, normal no way we you, but Mave Benimaya Nawa. Now we are Adenya family. They have supported OTT Wonder. They have supported Asaboro. Are supported. This is my street light. As I speak with you right now, you can see the carton, the engineer. This is my hole at the ground. We have not marked it. So so this is my hole and Mrs. OTT. Let me open it. I have one here. So don't just quote me wrong that what is it doing. I have one here. OTT have one. My senior sister OTT no larger with social media. So this is my own. Each street light worth 50K. So now we have to do something. This is for OTT, while the other one is for John Buimade. You understand my point? Please, let's support ourselves. As soon as we round up from here, from Edogun to Iduegbo, the man to face GGS to Urunigbe Rubber Estate, the man to lie Okaligba. So we pray for our brother, our loving brother, who never want us to measure his name in Okaligba. Very soon, you will see the street of Okaligba with different type of street lights. Because definitely, he urged me not to measure his name, and I will never measure his name. So I want people to receive a little prayer from our elder. So the elder, they are here praying for you people. At the end of the road, you guys, we have something to celebrate. One no me bo water, but anyone eri water, Baba. Eri water. Baba waneru ni ya. Yeah.
Oda wakia lage oda melage wale kwa manuwa yeba manuwa wari so kwa wajino
Support Urunigbe for development. We will no longer wait for the government. Na mu ye kan we bo aso aye.
Ebi kemi na be we injoboyo osalobo na mu ye kan we bo osalobo.
No ma mi ebe o mi ebe. No say no. Ibi di to ku ya no America mo ma ya.
Ni arudi kwa lo. Sabi jobo. Omunya ya unya. Ise. Ya ji kaba we sen ibi doin
He said, yeah. He said, this is that emotion from Ididogun.
He's not supposed to come here on live video. Why will you not take it? How will you have go and get smith for yourself?
no jere were no sabo be jere no ma e wa hia o e na ya ke no boni ma no e go si no ma e no e be ni Jesu o sarara mu jaruwa no munya ko ikolo ni wa be wa
he said you see whatever you are doing in life una we mi yewo almost to mirror from the elders. I keep on telling you people where when meje or when you if you even when you give me 10 million when you are egume wo ya mi go because why maybe unya agma na uronigbe. I have done so well in my community. I cannot because of 10 million less of one. You understand my point? So now maybe this way no me muja for development of the community. I have stand for development as far as the community is concerned. We have been saying this for long. Let's develop our community. You see what is going on? Look at everywhere. So we have already started marking the street light. Please pray for those who support. Okay, Baba. No matter support you. Wabe nerun gear. Wayafe etenic betenihu. Look what is going on. We have started marking the street light. Please contact me on 081 5561 9814. I repeat, contact me on 081 5561 9814. That is my WhatsApp number. If you really feel for this community, you feel that we are being cheated by the Edo State government. We are being cheated by right from Lucky Benedion regime. Uronigbe have the highest population, but the problem is this: we are being cheated by the Edo State government. Believe me, or you count it wrong. Uronigbe community are being cheated by the Edo State government. When you talk about population, we have population. Commissioner. Uronigbe have no one commissioner to even provide. As I speak with you people right now. We go to House of Assembly. Street Latin mamu yema. It can be kamera where either ye woo or me woo. Ogedaki was the House of Assembly. On a via street Latin. On a balele a polu. At the end of the road. This year engine no mure Ogedaki take his engine back. So ave honorable no mame mi ni ya Uronigbe waguri ogo ni ami ala Uronigbe. Share this video, let it get to Etiosa Ogbewi. You understand my point? Let this video get to him because definitely 4 years is not a joke. You rule as a youth chairman in Uronigbe community. Uvek mono be House of Assembly. Go here no mere o tegbe da gwi maga. Uva wa Uronigbe. Uwe da gwi maga go here. Me mo worokropa orion me meta me ka me yin mana wu mewu. Okpani meketa unless all your boy in Uronigbe or Etiosa should come and build us in Uronigbe. This is live video. Share this video. Let it get to him. It will not change. You understand my point? You rule as a House of Assembly member. Asoro is a House of Assembly member. No matter where Tony or Tony that one is busy building hotel everywhere. I make a lavo. You understand? So with the people in Europe and all our fans, they are sleeping until they keep on repairing Uronigbe. You understand? Now this is our street light. Matobimo donetigo even dogome. I bought my own. You understand my point? So I see no reason nobody will come and tell us where if I'm not via street light in our way am I here. You understand my point? And I'm begging all my brothers and sisters, I will talk to the governor. As a former SSA to Edo State government, Obaseki will listen to me, no matter anything. But we need to support ourselves first. You understand? So I'm begging on my brother. Obaseki will listen to me by the grace of Almighty God. But you look oh damn it, but okay when Makabe to be my big man. You understand my point? We see no giver, only one. We see no giver at all. He was a commissioner in only commissioner Uronigbe have got so far. A coupon of Ivedo. So any year of a coupon, even we see no giver, any emotion la reverse in it. We see no giver, emotore or la reverse in it. You understand my point? If I not bebona and they don't allow okay, they are going to sell all their property. A property we see no giver was a commissioner. And at the end of the road, in his own quarter, Idunga, He built an upstairs. He achieved a commissioner. As I speak right now, we see no give have no one single street light in Uronibe community. Those are people in Europe country. Look what they are doing. Where is Wisinogeva? Where is Etiosa Ogbewi? Etiosa will still come to Uronibe and tell us where Eri Paroshe Mwigoni here. Erigo Layakati. Share this video and get me a video now. Me tell you, Etiosa me are you here? And in winning me, you here because I've called my lawyer. Itiye lawyer me yoto. Any day Etiosa who fear my lawyer will appear in the court. Over the already. And at a lawyer here. Any day the church where I make Borin Faburonic Bimana, or the Beware, he can't walk on a restaurant, he sent his boys to destroy my house, or when the Beware, I'm telling you, people, church will go to jail. I will prove it and I will let him know. He go Yafeno Caviole and he will use it. That is the truth. You cannot tell me you was in House of Assembly for 4 years. You did not do anything in the community. Where is the money? They need to be careful. They need to be careful because of Tuagbema, my brother. I know what I'm talking about. I keep on warning them. No, you have a robber second or bungbe. A petition or a gome as your bologbe, and they should be careful. This is street land from a good family. Please, my brothers, I said before, invite Barrister Warrior for me. It's my senior brother. Please, invite Barrister Warrior. Invite him. I've been stronger this morning, digging holes. Yeah, commissioner. I'm not a commissioner. I'm not a councillor. As far as the Uronibe community is concerned. But we are fighting for development, for peace to reign. Where are the councillors? We are going to make sure where my fuck you up. You will never escape it. Come and campaign. He is a governor because also since we feel of election, that is the reason the governor for we to vote for one person, you started shooting pump passion and barrel. A petition who was arrested CID. Ma wa make a fear and see what will happen. Please share this. Let it get to Umi, a family Umi with Dukanyo. Wala if you don't need be one or remana. Why give you me with Dukanyo? Umi family, they have been in US, they have been in Mexico. Umi family in Mexico, our father, please, we beg you in the name of God, come and support us because this street light we started from Ogwedion, Omaese, Idukanyo, La Odo support him. Please invite Barrister Uworien to this forum. And at the time, this is the town crier of Uronibe community. Wala watie Uworien meira menogi. No lao, no contact 081 55 61 9814. Please, I'm not a councillor. I was once an SSA to Edo State government, and we have been dissolved. You understand? I'm calling on my fans. My fans is the one doing this. Please support. Support. It's not everything we call the state government. The state government can see what we are doing. They will support us. Please, let's forget about Godwin Obaseki for the now. Let's support ourselves. I myself provide one for this. Our lovely sister OTT1. OTT Wonder of Paris, Abi of Italy. He provide one too. Please, my brothers and sisters, we are begging everybody. You can see those are the engineer. They are on site. You can see the vehicle of the engineer. The engineer is not a hungry man. He wants to give us the best. The engineer is ready to give us the best. Please do something. I'm begging on my brothers and sisters. Share this video. Let it go viral. My brother George from Malaysia. George from Malaysia, from Adenya family, we respect you. We see your gift, and may the Spirit of God be with you. Baba George, we respect you. God will keep on blessing you. OTT Wonder, God will keep on blessing you. Please, alagoda o ogwalo omone gwale lati is on so abi no failing any abi honorable no wa failing e buru ni gbe they should give us chance to live. That is how it is. Okay, if you say you get money, why you call a fight for your village? When you was honorable, wow, they will know who. So we are urging our Uronibe community. Everybody don't go back and all one is different bodies. Iduogo, Idunga, Iduen. They are the one paying for those street lights. No matter the Dogun quarter, we are the pioneer. Our senior brother started it, good and fine. But we are heading to Iduegbo. Then after Iduegbo, we will not go to Iduogo. Please. Don't think we Mama Ace area where we have not got to your area, you will not support us. Contact 081 55 61 9814. That is my WhatsApp number. Please, we are begging you. You can see we are working. You understand my point? Engineer have been on the site since morning, and he's a very nice guy to us. You understand my point? And they have urged us not to on this light today. We are going to on it tomorrow because of the weather, because he work with the sun. So it's a solar energy. So definitely we need to have patience till tomorrow morning so that it will charge. That is the reason you see some people when they go buy handset, make I dey break am because this my English, not beside to go school like that. But make I break am, make una they know wetin I dey talk. Una see this street light so. If some people buy handset, you go buy handset for 80,000 naira. When you go buy the handset, then they will tell us say charge am 24 hours. The meaning of 24 hours is full day, if I'm not mistaken. Engineer, am I in order? So the meaning of 24 hours is full day. When man charge your handset in it for full day, well, because before you know, then the handset will go spoil. The engineer on site have urged us to wait till tomorrow before they will switch everything on, so that the energy we will be having 100% energy of the street light. Please share this video, let it go viral. I'm begging everybody. And I'm still assuring you people, by next 3 weeks, Okaligma Road will look like this again. Believe me. By next 3 weeks, Okaligma Road will look like this. Edo we can be say, Uronigbe will live to remember me. I'm Job Imade, the tank crier of Uronigbe community. They're gonna live, no one gonna die. They're gonna live to remember me. After my traveling out of the country, I didn't make it. I come back home and things is okay for me. And I started from this grassroots. So I have to work on the grassroots. Please, as an honorable that have been dissolved from government house, I tell you today, I will draw the attention of the Edo State government, because he knows me and he knows how I suffered for him. When he visited Uronigbe for the first time, I was the first man to tell him, Baba, sit down. Don't be afraid. Even though they were asking the governor, this is live video, we can be watching it. Ask him. He know me as the basket man. I told him, I said, Baba, Tota, we make him and he become who we are today. So we pray to Almighty God. We are just doing our own. Let's leave them. One day they will remember. If they fail to remember, Muna not worry. They go come for election now. I do not forget the story. They go come. What did they will talk? We will give you street light. We say, shut up. We have street light. What do you want to talk? We will give you a road. Before you know, we don't see tie road. Please, my brother, invite Barrister Uwori. It's very important to me. Invite Barrister Uwori. It's my father. He have been in America when I was still a baby in my mother's womb. And he have done a lot of gifts for our brothers. Please invite Odiase family. We are calling on Odiase family. We have started in Odiase quarter. Odiase family should contact 081 5561 9814. You can see the street light. So we are contacting Odiase family. If the one in Europe or Odiase family in America, if they cannot hear our voice now, we are calling the one in Nigeria, the multi-millionaire, E-Money Odiase Etiosa. E-Money, please share this video. Call E-Money on 081. Let me see if I can get his number. Definitely it's not necessary. I will call him on the other of my phone now that this is exactly the project that is going on. Those are the hero of Edogun quarter. Odiase family, Adenya family, Uwori, Imade, a lot of family, Benjamin Egareva. We have a lot of people. Please share this video, let it go viral. We are heading to Idunegbo. So we started from our quarter. We cannot be able to complete Idukanyo. Please invite Cosmos. Invite Cosmos on this line. Odiase family, share this video, let it get to them. Okay, definitely we are installing our street light. We have been stronger this morning. I have not been eating this morning. We drink water, we take some wines. That is not the issue, but the truth of the matter, let Uronigbe be developed. You understand? So as long as Mafia back, you can't delete yo. Everywhere will be bright. That is exactly what we want. Please share this video. and I appreciate you people. Don't fail to contact 081 5561 9814. That is the WhatsApp number. As I speak with you, I come again. I'm about to go on offline. 081 5561 9814. Please don't fail. Contact 081 5561 9814. That's my WhatsApp number. If you want to support. How much be €100? But that €100 man don't lie now. Before you get time for Europe, all your body go pee. E go pee. To get money for Europe not easy. Who knows say easy? Make it go find money. Our leader have failed us. We the masses need to work for ourselves. I have freedom of speech according to my lawyer. As I'm here, I have my family lawyer. I have freedom of speech to speak. I have everything to say on social media. So if I should have my proof, you understand my point? I should have my proof of what I'm saying. Mota we see no giver. He was a commissioner in Rodigbe, did nothing. So if you want to quote me wrong, it should arrest me or it should serve me paper on court where in Mweni area and let's go to court. You understand my point? Those are good products from Rodigbe community. At the end of the day, all fade. You understand my point? You come here where either Ikpa area webo or Yeru Rodigbe you understand my point? Because you understand my point? So we are with them. They are going to suffer. When you have Bebona in area we are. Ego the Panoshe brought about 7 point something million. If Ayunuge children is here, you should send this video to Ayunuge children. They are multi-millionaire. They should tell their father because areas there when you come area where ego are ironigbe naga igae because it's your way not you. Yeah, I'm going to that my friend's house. But if you are coming to my house, you have to come from 7 because if you don't work by 8 o'clock, you will hear wait. The government will ask you, what are you looking for in that type of time? That is the truth of the issue. So we are not afraid of development. So definitely, there will be sharing money in Rodigbe. We are not afraid of them. One day, EFCC will get even say for Joe way omana menwa or yegan. Okako omana menwa or yegan. We say back beton we fear ye for we do ya me my Rodigbe. We will not be happy for that. Definitely. Please share this video, let it go viral. Don't fail to contact 081 5561 9814. Thank you for watching this video. We are about to cut off. Engineer, God bless you. What advice do you have for my people? You are on live video. Advertise your company first.
Actually, before I will talk to your people, I will want to appreciate your efforts.
God bless you.
I know how the extent you have come to me, how you have to wake me up with calls and everything. I want to appreciate you. Thank you for what you are doing for your people.
God bless you.
Then I want to also admonish the people of Ironigbe. You can see the good work your people are doing here.
This is engineer from Delta State.
Whatever you can do to support this effort, don't hesitate to do that. We are here at
this is the engineer from Delta State
to carry out the work to ensure that the work will go smoothly and swiftly. We have all it takes. We have the knowledge. We have the technical know-how. We have the manpower. We have the materials to carry out this project.
Good.
And I promise you that Ironigbe will never remain the same. There will be light everywhere. This light has 2 years warranty. It doesn't have issue. It will just be on at the program time. When it's time for it to go off, it will go off. So I just want to encourage you guys to keep supporting. I appreciate you, like he has been saying. A lot of you have supported in one way or the other. Thank you. Yes, I appreciate you.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Yes, you can see the engineer just starts taking his speech. Thank you very much. God bless you. Yes, you can see
Yeah, Michelle. 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 Yeah. Oh, whoa.
Now we don't hear from John Bull Imade, and you don't see the street light where the people of Uronigbe wey dey for abroad gather money take buy, make them forget light for Uronigbe. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.